Hi there guys, thanks for watching this video. You've seen me live before, probably at a New Zealand Property Gurus event or even possibly Cash Flow for Life. Very rare that I would send you a video like this, but I'm in a room right now in Phuket. I'm running a 3-day training with Dean here and a couple of other of our trainers. We've got about 100 people here who are all pushing to create some sales online to generate some cash flow. I know that in New Zealand right now we definitely are looking for cash flow solutions, and what they've actually been able to put together is a package of products which you can use to learn but also resell to create income online. In fact, you can actually model the exact system and formula that we're using right now to create income. And between the hours of midnight and 7 a.m. this morning, the team here created over $1,000 worth of income. That's going from scratch. They rocked up here on Friday with no product, no real idea, and no website. And in just 3 days, they've built a product which has over $65,000 worth of value. They've built a website. In fact, in just under an hour and a half yesterday, live on screen, the website was built. And then they've gone from website into promoting. And now today is Sunday, and we're pushing really hard to help these guys get as many sales as we can. So the product package is a $65,000 product package, which includes products which can teach you how to make money out of internet marketing, out of business, out of property, out of shares, can teach you how to have better health, relationships, and personal development in your life. And this is the big kicker, this is the thing I think all of you need, helps you how to get all these products and implement them so they can actually work for you. So these products are for you to learn from, but you also get the rights to go and resell these products. So you can get any of these products or all of these products and on-sell them and keep 100% of the income. Now, Dean's been here this weekend talking to all of the guys about how to keep on track. And I think that on Friday morning he talked about the 3 M's of internet marketing. So maybe just briefly share with the guys here the 3 M's.
Sure. Well, what I was talking about was that you need to become a moron if you want to succeed in internet marketing. I know that sounds ridiculous, but what that means is that there are certain things where you have to follow the rules. You've got to do them exactly right. And if you get them wrong, it completely stops you from getting any result at all. And then from there, you've got to be able to add some magic and become a magician and bring your own creativity to the table. And then when you start to get results like these guys are already getting, then you need to become a machine and just implement that strategy over and over and over again.
So those are the 3 basic things that Dean and I also agree you need to do to become an internet marketer. Now, I want to give you a bonus today that says if you decide to have a look and take up this package, and we're calling it the Sean and Vince Fire Sale, I'm going to give you a free VIP ticket to my Sniper Convention. Now, the VIP ticket includes dinner with me on the Friday night. It's a 2-day training that you get to attend. You get the videos and a whole bunch of bonuses as well. It's valued actually at $97. The offer today to take up the fire sale is actually $97. So commit $97 to the fire sale, get all of the products within the fire sale, then come to Sniper Convention and learn how to use those products to create income. So take action today. The offer actually closes out very soon. We think we'll probably sell out in the next 24 hours. So do take some action today. Click on the link below this video and we'll see you very soon. Thank you very much also to Dean.
So guys, just before we finish, you're nuts if you don't do this. You know, I really endorse people, and many of you have been introduced to internet marketing through me and Sean. This is the real deal. The product is genuine. We need to be with him at Sniper Convention as well. So you're mad if you don't do this. See you soon.
Rightio, we'll get that one out.